Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox loading screen on PS5. So the fix is very simple. The one I'm going to show you today is very fast to do and execute as well. I'm going to be showing you how to do this from the PC version of Roblox in the internet browser. So basically what you need to do is go into your settings, click on settings right over here. The same procedure is going to be on your phones as well. The interface as well is very similar. Okay, now from my settings screen, go ahead and open up security tab. And from here I'm going to place a screenshot from my phone on the right, showing you what kind of button you're looking for. So basically on the very bottom right over here, you need to press on logout of all other sessions. You can do this from the browser. You can also do this from your Android or iOS phone. So it's very simple, just click on this button and this will basically log you out of all of the devices that you've logged in into your Roblox account from, and then after you log out, just log in back into the game again with your account credentials, which are as usual email and password, and hopefully your issues will be fixed in this way. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped, leave a comment, like the video, and I'll see you very soon in the next tutorial.